Hello friends, today let's talk about science, about biomimicking for the science, technology, innovation and modernization idea startup. Biomimicking means copying the nature. That's why physicians say that nature is perfect. So I will say the same. So from this point, let's see about for the contribution of science in technology, innovation, and modernization is from this the respective areas like engineering, medicine, robotics, architecture, material science, transportation, environmental, information technology, agriculture, and renewable energy. We will see how it is biomimicking idea is very critical. The role of biomimicking in engineering is inspires efficient and durable design based on nature. You know, any nature is durability and also efficiency. Principle is designed for the engineering is by looking of the nature. You know, for example, Kingfisher inspired bullet train noise. You know, termite. You know, inspire buildings. So this have its contribution for the science is to improve performance, reduce energy use, and increase sustainability. From medical area, biomimicry helps develop advanced medical technologies and also treatments. For example, Jacobs inspired surgical adhesive shark skin inspire antibiotic surfaces. So for the science, it enhances healthcare, promotes safe medical device, and also support innovation. Robots also mimics animal movements for better mobility and efficiency. All of the robots are mimicked from the animals. You know that. So, for example, robots dog, fish-like underwater robots, insect-inspired drones, and so on and so forth. So this contributes for that advanced automation, exploration, and also disaster responses. Architecture area is use natural cooling and structural design. Natural cooling. For example, termite mold inspired ventilation system so for the science which reduces energy consumption and also supports eco-friendly construction, for the material science area, they creates stronger, lighter, and also self-healing materials, the so-called smart materials. For example, spider silk-inspired fibers, locust life leaf-inspired self-cleaning, coating principle. So this nature improves product durability and also encourage sustainable manufacturing. In terms of transportation area, enhances vehicle speed, safety, and also fuel efficiency, which is from bird wing inspired airflation, airplane, wall fine, which inspired wind turbine. So this also have a science contribution to promote greener, fast, and also more efficient transportation system. Environmental technology area develops sustainable solution for pollution and resource management. Artificial photosynthesis, wetland-inspired water purification. For the science, supports environmental conservation and also efficient resource usage. For information technology, improves computing and also artificial intelligence using biological principles. You know, neural network, our neural network inspired by the human brain, swarm intelligence also. Swarm intelligence also has it. So this contribute for the science is advanced AI, machine learning, and also smart system. Agriculture, which increase productivity through natural processes, So biomimicking irrigation system, pollution inspired farming, pollination also inspired farming, which means pollination for means the breeding principle, you know. So, which improves food security and also sustainable agricultural practices, renewable energy, which designs energy system based on natural efficiency, like leaf inspired solar cells, photosynthesis principle, and also the principle of leaf is catch- just absorbing the light and also changing into energy with the sort of photosynthesis of the dark and also the light photosynthesis process. While the electron flow principle also sure. So whole fine part is also inspired turbine bloods. Turbine blood is a copy, so which also contributes the sciences to increasing the renewable energy efficiency and also support sustainable development. So biomimicry plays a significant role in science and technology innovation by learning from the nature's design process and also system. It helps create sustainable technologies, improve efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and also support modernization across fields such as engineering, medicine, robotics, architecture, agriculture, renewable energy, and also even mining. Lots of biomimicking is can be also catching up. Even also the snake skin. The snake skin also, when we look this, the most of our clothes color designs, most of our building structure, ceramic wall, and so of also stands from this animal skin, a snake. Lighting is from also the from this one. All of the vehicle and locomotive is from animals and so forth. So any science and any innovation is start is from the design of the nature. Before it goes to science, just focus on make understand the nature. That's why when we depends on the nature as a foundation of science, knowledge, and innovation in human civilization, what we call there is superpower. Our superpower is God. Since I am Orthodox, my superpower, our superpower is God. Thank you very much. See you soon.